Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Well, that was fast today, quite a bit of whipsaw price action, and it did in fact give us that high wave 4, this high Y wave here on the chart, yeah. And it did not break below 1611. It just tested that level again today, but it never sort of broke it. And I think I showed you that wave count in the previous video, didn't I? Where we said it might give us a higher C wave due to the structure, and a break below 1611 would have confirmed rather a more direct path to the downside. So, however, we have a pretty healthy and deep wave 4 in place now, and yeah, we had a little bit of a dance today here apparently, but this doesn't change our outlook. In fact, I'm actually quite happy that it did reach that 1650 level. Remember, we talked in the previous videos about that 1650 level, the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement, the ideal target for such a fourth wave. And yes, I know it reached the 50% Fib level even. We said that a sustained break above 1664 would rather favor a different scenario, but a massive rejection, and actually the 1 hour candle didn't even close above the 38.2 Fib level. So with that wave 4, I'm extremely happy now. And with that wave 4, I can say that maybe tomorrow or the day after, we should come down. Yeah, we should. Not we will, but we should come down based on this structure. That would be the most likely outcome I see here. Despite all these fluctuations, for me, the most likely outcome is still a move down lower in the fifth wave. But we obviously need to see if that that high holds. So basically, I don't want price to make another high. If we see one more high above today's intraday high, which was around 1665, then I will have to consider that we are already in a high B wave. By the way, let me just move my microphone. It's just next to the mouse, so you'll hear the clicking all the time. Sorry. But yeah, it would then be a higher B wave. So basically what I have assumed here as potential B wave would then be reset higher. It would simply delay the sell-off. So at the moment, my base case, my thesis, my idea that another low should happen here has not changed. And to confirm that the move down has finally started, we need to see a break below 1611. And then the next target is 1591, 1576, and then 1536. And to be honest, the wave 4 high should be in now. It should be in, or we have to change the wave count. So this is now an ideal spot to turn to the downside. And it's going to be very interesting now in the next few days, because the price has done now what it needs to do, absolutely. And the structure looks pretty good as a WXY. With a high C wave, then that's all good, and it just needs to come down now. But you see, it's squeezed between resistance and support. We've got the support level at 1611 that I gave you. It has reacted twice to it already, yeah. And the resistance is also very relevant, so it just can't move. But the good news is it's not a triangle, and it is a perfect three-wave structure. So I hope the high is in now. We can even, let's just check. Wave W length, go to the low of the X wave. And yeah, also here 1650 was the 1-to-1 ratio. It has done what it needs to do. It doesn't need to do anything else. Ideally, we are gonna see here a bit of a sell-off now in the next few days. Any further Fib extension targets? What could be a target for the fifth wave to the downside? I use here the 1536 level really as next main target. But what we can also do, we can take the length of waves 1 through 3, which was the 17th of August low, go to the high of the wave 4, and yeah. And you can see the 38.2 extension is the very first one, but that points towards that 17th of August low anyway. So ideally, we're going lower. 1536 is a level, and then here 1466, which is pretty much an overlap with the 88.7 Fibonacci retracement at 1460. So these are the levels to watch when we come down lower in the next move down. And if it goes higher, as I said, that could actually take us in a more extreme case all the way to 1850 roughly, the high B wave, but it would simply delay the sell-off in my opinion. Yeah. So yeah, that's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. As a channel member, you get access to a weekly live stream. Every Sunday we do a live stream. And as silver and gold members, you get access to Discord and Telegram, to the live chats and a lot of learning material about trading, TA and Elliott Wave. And as a gold member, you get additional market updates. So yeah, feel free to check it out. And also don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.